Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Webull so that you can trade options easily. First, you want to click on Custom on the left side, take you to this page, just click on Blank Layout, and boom, let's get started. So, of course, to trade, we want to add a chart, like so. I like to add 3 charts. I know some people like to have 2 charts, but it's all up to personal preference. There we go. Now we have our charts. Then you want to add watch lists, just so you can look at different stocks you want to trade with. Boom, let's just add a watch list like that. So you can click on my watch list and it'll bring you to your watch list. To delete stocks, you can right click it, click delete. To add stocks, click add symbol and just put in whatever ticker symbol stock you want to add. So what did I just delete? Meta, right? META. Boom. That it'll add Meta to your watch list. So now whatever watch list stock you click on, it'll bring you to the chart. There we go, like so. Or on the Meta chart. And you can click on different intervals on the bottom. Here's a 5-minute interval for 5-minute chart for Meta, 30-minute chart. There we go, just like that. You can click on this one to have more variety of whatever interval you want to look at. You can also click on EXT. This will show you pre-market and post-market of what the stock is looking like. Okay, so there's a watch list. I'm going to add watch list to all my other charts, like so. There we go. And I forgot to mention, you guys can edit your watch list however you guys like by clicking this thing right here. I like to have all these included. I know some people don't like looking at the spark line. You can remove or add whatever you want. Some people don't like the spark line. You just uncheck it. It'll remove the spark line. But I like having all these things on so that I could look at what I'm about to trade. Okay, so there we go. There's a chart and watch lists. So now moving on. Of course, we're trading options. You want to add the options chain. Just put that down here. And there we go. We have an options chain. I like to change the number of strikes to 12. There we go. Now we have more strikes to look at, more variety, and more things to consider when trading. You can change your options just like how you can change your watch list and modify it however you like by clicking this thing right here. I like to have all these things checked because I think all this is important when looking to trade options. But I guess some people don't like looking at the percent change, implied volume or whatever. But I like to have all those things on. Percent change. You could like go through all these little things, like that, and add whatever you want. There we go. So there's the options. So of course, with the chart, we want to also add a watch list to the options, just like how we did with the chart. So go back to general watch list. You can just drag it onto the options chain just like that. So now all your watch lists are connected. So whatever watch list you have on your chart, it's going to be whatever watch list you would have on the options. So let's say we want to trade Meta. Just click on Meta, bring you to the options chain for Meta. Let's just trade SPY, bring you to the options chain for SPY. You'll scroll down a little bit. It'll show you the expiration dates for all these different stocks, I guess. So there is that. Now we want to, what am I looking for? Now we want to go to trade and click on orders because we want to see what we're trying to buy. So we're going to add orders. Let's just boom. And with our orders, once we complete those orders, once we buy whatever stock, buy whatever options we want to buy, we would have a position like so. Position and orders. There we go. So these are very important things to look at. Let's just leave this for now like that. So positions and orders. And of course, whenever we want to buy, we need an order entry. So let's just click on an ask price, whatever ask price, it doesn't matter. It'll bring you an order entry. Just drag the order entry over orders. So now you have an order entry and orders. So you can right click to delete that. But yeah, so say for example, I want to buy a 260 strike price for calls. There we go. We click on the ask price and it'll bring you this thing. You can modify the limit price, your quantity, how many you want to buy, the order, type of order. You have a limit and market order, buy, sell, call, or you could buy puts as well, just like that. And once you fill your order entry, it'll show up to the positions. And say for example you want to buy a limit at 485 and the price is not there yet, you can still enter the order and it'll show up your orders. It'll show you it'll just end up in orders until it's filled. Once it's filled, you will see it on your positions. You can watch my other videos on how I live trade to see this in action, so you can learn a little bit more on how to trade. But I think this will wrap it up. You guys can comment any more questions you have on the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer as many as I could. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.